Alright, action.
Yo, a tear for radio mesem kakrasa mom fama some family na mom family man chai ya mom anu ne your line system no if it's problem kakra it yes sremo mo de be chai na mo de mo som so afam ye kakra eh me roast no anu ko so na wo kan sin
wafa my sister no akasa pe there was a waka no waka they are near person I will most of the time see your audience no omo follow omo e no mo like pictures no omo de bi omo so mu di obi o ho be di nipa na tama no you pass de bi oba be like you what I said who say the person just block the person but nipa no say the all here no
say oba no go na pant na na kan function na wan share na yi bi ma ko be
sister ya dress decent o de mani twa picture pa for too I just saw mo odi mo omo pe e na be like it oho bi e no be twa be like it da enso so mami yi me ho na me fa me pants ene me to nkwan na ma na hwe like semenya shit
yeah me man na ne ma
enya me like am I like it am I na audience from one bontin instead some good advice negative nkwa and all picture na beto o hwe so be kwa asori no hwe picture beto obenya 20 likes obebo naked no 50 likes why not
okay
what I say be see ati ha no ma you educate yourself see obi anywa like just like a what I say omo share bloggers aba we cry posting ka so mo no mo share because say na ye sua ade ne momo nye ne sebet na ye yi ato an ka be hu oh ras ne naked nude ajibe bia what I say it is hard to was you support positive vibe and no be mad like Ghana for man Ghana you want to bet me Ghana mom na ka say o se ni nwian o to ade bloggers are so obi aso mo blogging like e go viral all over the world me na nya bre say say Jackie na anu ya o sha say o to mpa boy kakra na the person that if you want at yakotu so be despite me no to 150 people ko no be despite almost sha say somewhere and I'm here do somewhere so you can't just sit at your like you can't just sit somewhere and I want me to now free be your own queen and expect manna to fall from heaven go na the days and na manna fall from heaven and then also helping help those who help themselves and so it's high time was so sorry
just say ni mo so boade
the one and to mean na with them hwe say brazil it be time scab say ma be mo so shake what say for cry what I say yeah my sister and to the side also bloggers na them mo support like entrepreneurs young entrepreneurs na ba no mo ye bibi with their lives na mo support na mo nyai say mo support negative na mo say grant to mo interviews esan kan nipa na yi no to na what to no phone mo say grant interview e kan and say well actresses and actors musicians be bro mo born no free kwa me nkoma pen so onye nipa ba ko kra ma na share we dey call radio so kra papa yo no ko eja ye mo enso so mo bi ni no to me mo body be ni ko fo bre kom ha no ma esan nude nti o my stars all because Kim Kardashian you know to Kim Kardashian tabloid you know to also think Ghana be you to my sister what I said don't compare yourself to anybody
the American parents on say empo ye na fufu pokra na omo ye na fufu
okay
who the bibi to status say eya edwedie obehye ono so beto ni onye da na so my ka say obi video naked video na sex tape bieligi oh share please send me send any obenya send me be but some we be positively obi be ever bought to what it onye that
into our family pani when say me nua we hwa movie sa onye star say na my sister ba ye na no be yi no to aye star oh ma me ko ye bi wa shada pa ko yi no to me asen photo shoot
yo etie for empanyese di odi akire osua di odi kan nante ye be sremo me nua ma no me sremo me nsa ensa ye can sleep queen na enkyere se obi a wo dress na wo yiyi wo na wo nde wo ti si anya me adom ye nua je wo akode ne Roslyn ame ate ase se ekye se oba obo mote na wo de wo na wo ye wo dwuma sabe wo hye bibi kakra se na wo temede boa wo support wo pa adwuma wie na nya wo take selfie o Instagram o wo ni obi ani asem sanse ade achi a o ko adwuma ye sremo ye pa mo chewo yes sremo ye nua manom ene ya srefa anyema we nyina ase wo hwe ye ewo Astown TV subscribe na share ne fa ma wo nua ehia papa etiefo enche bedi nsam no ne anyema ni nyina beba awieye na ansa na mede beba awieye no ye di kan no ka asem bi se enti na bema ekuhia oba eni na wotwe mienu enche waseme pew ose mepew na chi na akwa na oba no so beti ase na afi wayi ni suma de nweo no de atsere no na afi bema no honko ye se ba betena se asa atsere ya pepe nsem ni ya twumu nsem ni ya hunientia etini ekobasa etiefo Rosemary na mo aka asem keto mi wache etiefo na watia ahwefo na omo so epe wasema omuti
yo nyame hwa obi bia o se na daje especially abrochefo no nyame hwa mo se mo daje ehwe Ashton TV ansana mo ambekọ adwuma ko what for the mechanic say, be yourself. Especially a man, become your bad. Make us a man. Your pride whom you when you young, a hunya. Men fan too, you can't answer man a second.
I am from Massa.
Men fan Massa. Just because of say, what sister be living good life, flashy life, because of go through that bad process, no nyanti. Obiani ni too. Obiba Kobeba. Namia wow, na kona wa ma. And one.
You are here for your cousin, ye dear dream that you are from. Your sister Roselyn, aka Slim Tins, or say, young fire, and ye juma. If you walk on there, whatever man, over chair with you for the washer for now, and send from you, knew me and Cynthia Obeka near the agrono, I shall say, a baby.
Ras, you ever don't want to say, seriously, without them, you need honor. And I said, they be almost share, almost subscribing to Ashton TV and my. Now, the other kind of said, slave no. Almost a son, almost by. Who bet to me a slave? Obianka say means slave. Slave, but slave in your own way. Obi hu or di ebu eni di ebe ma ochina semunti o de bia meka so ochina semunti bia sisi ade obeka se wo de ho but ochina bi na o life no obi e pointing nsa e wo so e bia china bi no na wu ni me bia na obe free say wu live life e bia na china bu be pre MP na obi aka say wey na wo future bia na wo dreams bi da ya so na wo pese ebe mu no na ashie bukwa because of past life we live in anything. The best stress will be yourself, be real, then living a good life. They don't want to say.
You a for a Jawako de aka Jackie Time, or when I Casayano, or set a man sumbo no question, or ba musumpo, one of who ye may mount into your sermon. Sometimes no man can't ya did so. Now, Mamma Buonia thing. The Mumia can see a room for aka Prophet a room for the ammonia for Mamma de Bia. A chair for me, Damase, and a masher for me, Mamma Monitia, and him, Midiani, I could see a room for betting my friend, prophet, who betting me so a friend, uncle, offer, who betting me so a friend, apple, Mamma Monitia, and him, about a Santi so. Yeah.